What's the right age to bring a kid on the tour? Well, it depends on which tour you're taking. Obviously, the pub crawl tour, there's no right age to bring a kid on the tour. On the regular haunted history tour, I'd say any age. Now, my belief is that our tours are probably one of the few things you can do with your kids in the French Quarter. Other than take a buggy ride or whatever, I think the haunted history tour is probably one of the only things you can do with a kid on the streets of the French Quarter. That being said, some of the stories, like the Lalaurie story, for instance, are pretty graphic and it is gruesome, and some people may be offended by that story, but it's reality. This is not made up for TV. These are real stories that have taken place in our city's history, and for the tour guide to fully describe the horrors that went on at the Lalaurie home, they have to be a little graphic, and maybe some parents may not want their kids to hear how graphic it is, but it's reality. But that's probably the only story on the tour that I would say something like that about. Otherwise, any age can go on our tour.
Book your tour at hauntedhistorytours.com.